You want to know the real reason you crash at 2 p.m. every day? I'll tell you a secret. It's the screen you're staring at right now. Those clear lens blue light blocking lens glasses don't do anything. Here's what you need to know to protect your eyes and your energy. Fluorescents, screens, LED lights. You can call them junk light, and they seriously mess with your biology. They don't have the infrared, the red, the violet wavelengths that are in natural sunlight, and they have crazy high levels of blue light. Junk light sources send constant low-level stress signals directly to your brain and your nervous system, which means, of course, you have less focus and you're more tired. And you have way less chance at real productivity. I used to live with this brain fog and fatigue daily before I understood about junk light and that light is a nutrient. That's what made me start TrueDark almost 10 years ago. TrueDark Daylights, the ones I'm wearing right now, they're not just blue blockers. They help you focus all day long. TrueDark Daylights block 75% of the toxic blue light that messes with your brain, but they allow enough beneficial blue light in, energizes you and wakes you up and supports your circadian biology. If you block all blue light, you are totally screwed. So most daytime lenses either block too much light or they block too little of the toxic forms of light. TrueDarks target only the wavelengths of light that make you tired, so your brain gets sharper, not slower. I use them anytime I'm indoors under harsh lights or looking at bright screens, and that's most of the day. So if you want better focus and cleaner energy, block the junk light that's draining your brain. TrueDark, the easiest hack for better focus.